To extend the due date of a borrowed book, simply start by scanning the barcode of the book. After that, click the Return button. This will display the return details, including the book's title, borrower information, borrowed date, and current due date. To proceed with the extension, edit the due date field as needed, complete the required input fields, and then click Submit. A confirmation message will appear, showing the updated due date along with a success message indicating the extension was successful. Additionally, the borrower will receive an email notification containing the updated due date and other relevant details of the transaction. That concludes the process of extending the book due date. Meanwhile, in the eLibrary, users can now extend their book due dates online. By opening the Extend Book tab, the system displays all active borrowings, pending requests, and the rules for requesting an extension. After selecting a borrowed book, the page shows its details: title, accession number, author, current due date, days remaining, and status. The user then chooses the number of extension days, up to 10 days, or selects a quick option of 3, 7, or 10 days. Once the user clicks Submit, a confirmation message appears: book extension submitted successfully, and an email is sent to the requester. The request moves from submission to review, where an email notification is sent to the librarian or admins, then to the librarian's decision, and finally to the updated status in the system. That concludes the process of extending the book due date. Thank you for watching.